Hello everyone, welcome again to Tasty Recipes. Today, I'm gonna make shrimp and garlic spaghetti. It is very easy with simple ingredients, but the taste is really yummy. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we're going to need. Of course, we have the 200 grams of spaghetti, 6 cloves of minced garlic, half cup of fresh basil, 15 pieces of peeled deveined shrimps. It's a medium size. We have half teaspoon of ground black pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, and half teaspoon of salt. Now let's get started. I added 8 cups of water in a pot and let's start on the fire with a medium heat. Let's wait until it gets boiled and then we will add our spaghetti. The water starts boiling. Then we add half teaspoon of salt, the spaghetti, and let's cook for about 8 minutes. Now let's melt the butter. Add olive oil. Fry the garlic. Let's fry until it gets the golden brown. The garlic is almost golden brown. We add the shrimps. And let's cook for about 2 minutes. Now add the spaghetti. Black pepper. Salt. Some grated Parmesan cheese. You can add as many as you want. shrimp and garlic spaghetti is ready to serve. Hope you like our recipe today. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, taste the recipe, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.